I'd like to make some predictions about the houses in the future. I believe the houses will float up in the air, so it won't touch the ground. The walls will be colorful depending on the weather. For example, if it's sunny, then the color will be yellow or white. When it's raining, maybe the color will turn into blue. And the next one, the kitchen will be painted pink and the TV will use solar power. And the last one, the fridge will tell you if your food has gone bad. So that's my predictions. I'm Danny. Bye bye.
Hi guys,
My name is Sus.
I'm Zahra.
Now we were talking about the
Future houses.
house.
Yeah. Can you tell me your future house?
Of course, the first one, the shape of the house will look like star.
Star?
Yeah,
Can you
Star.
imagine that, guys?
good. Yeah,
It sounds great idea.
but
Yeah,
I
it's
think
crazy.
that's crazy.
Yeah.
And the second one, the kitchen will cook by itself.
Wait.
Yeah,
The kitchen will cook
by
by
itself.
itself.
Yes.
So when I'm hungry and I say kitchen, I'm hungry.
Yeah, and directly the food will in front of you.
Wow, it's crazy, right? But
Good.
sounds
And the third, the bed will float in the air.
like this.
Yes. You can have good sleep or will have nice dream.
Yes, I think so. It's gonna be good. Like this. Yeah, up in the air.
And I want to know your idea for the future house. Can you
Me?
tell me? Yes.
The door
Uh-huh.
will open by
So,
by our voice.
oh yeah,
like,
by our voice.
like this.
So you
Open.
will control the door by your voice.
Yes,
Okay.
Of course, like this. Open and directly the door will open.
And that we don't know to go in front of the door, right?
Yes, that's what I mean. And then I want to make a swimming pool.
Uh-huh.
Will be underground.
Underground.
Can you imagine that, guys? No
my
one
God.
knows if we have a swimming pool in our
the
house.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Good idea.
And the last one is when the roof
Yeah.
of our house will when we clap our hands
Yeah.
will be opened.
Oh.
Yeah.
So we just need like this,
Yes.
and the roof will open.
Yeah.
Oh. Good.
Great. But
Good.
it's possible, right?
But we don't know. I mean, maybe we have good technology.
Yes, in the future.
Sophisticated technology
Yep.
in the future. So okay, maybe enough for today.
Yes, thank you.
And thank you.
Hi, I'm Rima. I'm Tara. And now we would like to tell you about our future house. Okay. Tar, do you know my future house? Yes. I want the house will transform, become a boat if the floor or the tsunami comes. So we don't need to go anywhere. So we just stay in our house and the floor, the house will then become a boat. Yes. And you, Tar?
And about me, the gate of the house will have a sophisticated security with the control panel.
Yes, and the second for me, that is the floor. Yes, the floor will change, become a panorama. Okay, the example is, if you want your floor become ocean, it will change become an ocean.
Like a
And
blue floor.
Yeah, in a blue floor and have fish. And then if you want your floor change become a beautiful flower, it will be change become a beautiful flower. So maybe we can call it a magic flower.
We have a robot, and the robot will be a housemate for cleaning our house. Because this is a modern technology, so we have a renewable technology too. So it means it will help our activity for every day.
Last, I want the bed will appear if we said I'm sleepy or I'm tired. We just scream, I'm sleepy, I'm tired. Okay, so the bed will appear. And the last, Tara?
Yeah, so the bed will be transformed and save your life if the earthquake attacks your room.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I'm Gus. I'm Nabi. Today we're gonna talk about future houses.
Okay. Talking about future houses, I imagine that one day in the future we will have a bed that stick on the wall when we sleep. Okay. The next one, I imagine that in the future we will be able to change the color of the walls depends on our needs with the control panel. And the next one, if you want to take a shower, you will not using water anymore. You will use bubble.
Okay, now with me. Talking about the future house, I imagine that the house will be able to fly. Okay, back to our topic. Talking about the future houses, I imagine dishwasher that will clean the dishes using bubbles. The next one is about the blanket. The blanket will float by itself.
Okay, hi everybody. So good afternoon.
Afternoon.
So today we would like to tell you about a future house.
Yeah,
All right, future house. So how about you? What is in your brain for your future house?
For me, the future house like modern
Okay.
house. Yeah.
Modern house.
Yeah.
Would you like to tell me about one of the modern house?
Oh yeah. The floor
Oh yeah, the floor.
will look like an ocean. You know?
Oh,
An ocean. Yeah, like many fish.
it's very
Yeah.
nice.
What
Good.
about you?
For me, I think that for my future house, the window will be opened by remote control.
Remote control.
Yeah, by remote control,
Oh,
you know,
nice.
without going to the front of window just to click or something else.
Oh.
The other one, I'm going to make the floors will absorb the dust. All right, we will not use the vacuum cleaner
Oh,
again.
Yeah, we don't
Okay.
Need
Yeah,
energy,
we don't need.
energy.
We don't need that. And then the third one is, yeah, the lamp will be turned on or turned off automatically.
By itself?
No, by whistle.
Oh,
This-
yeah.
yeah, the
Using your
whistle.
voice.
Yeah, using
Oh,
our
yeah,
voice.
I think about the other, my
Mhm.
future house, the bed.
Oh,
Yeah,
the bed.
the bed will return become the dinner table. Can you imagine when the night come?
Mm-hmm.
Then it will become the dinner table. Yeah, it
Oh.
multi-functions. Yeah,
It's multi-functions.
Yes.
That's very
Yeah.
good, I think.
yeah.
So what else?
The other is about the roof. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, see, the roof.
Yeah, the roof will be controlled
Uh huh.
based on the weather.
Based on the
The weather.
weather. Ah, that's very nice.
Yeah, nice.
So I think that's all. So thank you so much for nice attention. So bye bye.
Bye bye.
Halo guys,
Hai.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I'm Jul.
I'm Yuen.
We are GM. Welcome back to our channel.
Hi.
Okay, Mr. Yun, I'm gonna tell you about technology. What do you
Very
think
cool.
about the technology in the future?
I think about the house in
Your
the future.
house?
Yeah, of
Wow.
course.
What do you want to build in your house?
Okay, I want to have a wall. When I clap my hand, it will change. The background will change by itself.
Wow,
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah, it's amazing, right? So, how about you, Mr. Joel?
Okay. The first thing is I want to build the floor. You know
Wow,
floor?
yeah, floor.
Okay.
Okay.
The floor will be clean by itself
Oh wow, amazing! How can it be?
because you know
Yeah.
the technology is amazing. you can build anything you want.
Yeah, I agree with you. Also, you don't need a housekeeper.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Talk about housekeeper. I wanna have a kitchen. We'll make some food directly. When I want eat some food directly, the kitchen will make some food for me like meatball and fried rice in Sasak Chorot.
Wow, cerorot.
Yeah, I like
I
it.
like cerorot.
Oh yeah, how about you?
Okay, the second is I want to build the door.
A door.
Door. Okay.
Okay.
The door will ring when a thief comes. Can
Oh
you
my God.
imagine?
Oh yeah, it's nice,
Oh.
nice. Oh yeah.
Maybe your house will be always safe.
Oh yeah. Oh my God.
You know, now is the pandemic of corona. Maybe if you use the door, when I build the corona cannot enter.
Oh yeah, good
Your
idea.
house.
I love it. Talk
Yes,
about
again.
house and corona. I imagine if I have a house can fly.
Wow.
Here, okay. Yeah,
Woo.
so
Cool, man.
your house will fly depending on my mind. When I feel fall down, he will bring me to a beautiful place. How about you?
The last is I want to build the roof.
Roof.
Ah,
Oh yeah, roof. Yeah.
Okay. The roof will open automatically depending on the weather.
Oh yeah, nice.
Can you imagine?
Yeah, yeah,
about
yeah,
that?
yeah. Oh my God! So you can see in the
Yeah.
night, in the middle of night, you can,
Can
see
see-
star,
A star.
million of star,
A sky full
Oh.
of star.
like the song.
The title of song. Do you know?
Yeah, come
what
on.
the song?
Cool play, cool play. I'm right.
You are cool, man. I'm gonna be full of stars. Okay.
Yeah, so cool, dude. Okay. Yeah, I will give you 1 until 100. I'll give you 100. Yeah.
Okay.
Good job. Yeah, I hope it will be come true.
Okay.
Yeah. And see you, Mister. Nice
Okay.
to meet you.
Okay. Thanks. This is my channel. We are GM. Don't forget to
Bye.
watching and hit the bell. Okay.
Good job.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.